4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so you haven't subscribed, you should consider doing so. And if you do, you'll become one of my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that
you are here.
Okay, so today I have a very special wig unboxing and review. This wig was provided for me to review for you by the Beauty Nook. Okay, and I have partnered with them in the past, so I'm excited to partner with them again. I will put all the deets on where you can find them and find wigs from them. Please go show them some love. They do have an Instagram page, but they have they have like a website, but they actually have a Beauty Nook app, and I'll also put a picture of that, which is really cool and easy to be interactive. Their customer service is like lickety and split, okay? And if you order from them, you can use my code. It is an affiliate code, so I do earn a little something if you choose to use it. You do not have to use it, but you do get a percentage off if you do. So I'll put that on the screen and also down below. So please give them some love. It's great. Again, customer service is on point. So just so you know. They also have lives that they do on Friday night. So on Facebook, so that's super fun as well. So this is from, I haven't even opened this wig yet. I'm so excited. I'm like, so I'm opening this right in front of you. We're doing it together. I know that it's a Belle Tress wig. It's in a color that I've been dying to review. I've been really enjoying Belle Tress. Oh, before I get started, this girl is Bobbi Boss's Yulia, and there should be a review up on her. But this is what she looks like. Ooh, I have to calm down. Like, I'm that excited. You know when I'm excited about a wig, what it is. So let me go ahead whilst we're talking, and I'm going to pull up the deets.
Because we have to have deets.
So this is Belle Tress's Counter Culture, and I have her in British Milktea. So let's just go ahead and search her. Counter Culture is a newer wig from Belle Tress. And the deets of her. Okay, so it says that Counter Culture is, and we can look at it as I'm reading it. This is the wig, and the color is everything I wanted and more. But let's talk. It says that she has temple to temple lace front. Okay, so you can see that. It is hand tied. You can see that as well. It says extended partial monofilament. So this part here is a monofilament parting. It's all hand tied, and it's made so that you can play with it enough, and it's going to move enough to look a little bit more natural. It does say that she is heat friendly. It doesn't necessarily say what it's heat friendly to. I would say probably stay in that 300 or less. You know, the least amount of heat that you can, because it is a silkier textured fiber. It says that, so they said that this wig, this is really interesting. This wig Counter Culture is inspired by Counter Culture Coffee located in Durham, North Carolina. It says that Counter Culture Coffee is committed to creating cutting edge coffee. So Belle Tress is also committed to creating and educating the public to perceive wigs and hair pieces as an alternative hair and also just as a fashion statement. So she is 23 inches long. And it says it's a mixture of curl, soft curl, and modern waves. Okay. And it says it's Belle Tress's signature luxurious silky fiber. And she weighs about 6.6 ounces. This cap is an average cap. Let me talk about this color right now. It's a very interesting color. This, I would say, is sort of your medium cool toned brown, an ashy brown, if you will. And so I definitely, that is what it is. The other colors in here are, it's like milk tea. It's like if you put milk in tea, this is the shade that you get. It's got a grayish tone, an ashy brownish, an ashy grayish. This is a cool toned wig. There is some lighter pieces. It's given me sort of that heather gray, where it's not quite gray and it's not quite purple. It's like in between. So there is sort of a purplish heather gray cast to it. It's so interesting. Let's get her on because I cannot wait to see how this looks. This may actually bump Outray's DR mocha cream or chocolate cream that I absolutely love. This may bump. Might get bumped. Okay. This retails at the Beauty Nook for $327.55. So if you decide that you would like her, you can use my code if you've not purchased from them in the past. So there's no combs in this wig, and then it's like the bra strap situation. So what I'm gonna do at first is just give her a little shake out.
Shake, shake, shake it out and shake it out.
This color. I can't even look at it. I love it so much. Shake it, shake it, shake it out. All right, so we're gonna shake it out, and let's just go ahead and put her on. Now I have that song from like Beetlejuice, like shake, 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 Sinora, shake a bottle right.
Shake, 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 Sinora, shake your body liner.
You can see that gorgeous rooting goes all the way around, all the way into the back. I love, love, love when they do that. Okay, I adjusted it a little bit. I'm gonna say that this wig cap is, it says average, but it is gonna be on that larger side of average. So I do need to tighten it a little bit more. I'm gonna wear this out, so when I wear this out, I can already tell I'm gonna have to wear a wig grip. And cha-cha! Oh my god! Oh my gosh, this reminds me of this wig, Jenna Collections Chelsea, that I hand dyed and custom colored. And unfortunately, like, I sold her and I was kicking myself because I loved the color. And I'll put a picture up there. And it was a hand dyed, it was a custom color, so it's not like I could just easily, you know, replicate it. Oh my god. So I do have my heat tools. I usually use this, it's Remington heat wand. It doesn't have temperature, it just has like dials from level L, which is low, to 30. So right now I have it on 20. Normally when I'm doing wigs, it's more closer to 25 to 30. So I'm guessing that it's closer to the 300 mark. So we'll see. She has bendable ear tabs. I love that. That's really great for glasses or your mask, or just for fit purposes. It says she's 23 inches. Let's go ahead and just brush through here and see what happens. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm obsessed with this color. I'm telling you that right now. This is so pretty. All right, let me go ahead and do a little getting her together, and then we'll come back and talk about her. Because she has that monofilament parting, there is some playing around that you can do with her, and I might put a little bit of heat on her to keep her just back and away from my face. That's my personal preference, and then I'll come back and let you know. But I'm telling you, this color is amazing, amazing, amazing. I love it. I love it. It is an ashy blonde, ashy brown mix, and I love it. Once I'm done reviewing this wig, I will go outside and film some clips in natural light. Let me just get to what I'm getting to, which is getting her together. back from getting her together, I actually went outside and took some pictures and a little video of her in natural lighting, so I will include that for you. You saw what I did to sort of get her together. So I'm loving this wig. I did put a little bit of heat on her. It looks like it was in the 300-degree mark, so keep that in mind. I love the color. It is comfortable. I'm going to say this, with this sort of curly / wavy situation, I'm going to tell you that you're going to need to keep on it so that it doesn't get tangled. Now it does respond well to the brushing. There's, you know, it's a pretty silky light fiber. This is a light for being a, you know, a longer wig. It's pretty light. It doesn't feel overly warm on my head or anything, but there is a small amount of grip, so it's not going to maybe snag as much as others. It does kind of want to be a little staticky, so just keep that in mind, and you can get rid of that easily by just doing this with your hands and just sort of going over the fiber. So like, that's not a big deal. Just to keep in mind that you will need to keep on this. Now I have all the hair to the front. I do think that she would be an amazing wig for some styling, and I may go ahead and do that. And this color is so much like that Chelsea wig that one of them was a Chelsea and one of them was a Harlem 125, I think. I was on a kick of custom coloring wigs for a while. And I'll leave that playlist down below. But she's very soft, like my fingers go through her. You could make her pretty full if you wanted to. Like you could sort of gruff her up. Let's look at her from the back before I start gruffing things. Oh, and I use this Jomino heat treatment thermal spray when I put heat on it. Just because, you know, it's not something I'm familiar with in terms of the temperature of putting heat on this wig, and I didn't want to risk it. I don't always use a heat spray, but I usually do that with wigs. Like if a wig is, not that this is a great logic, but if it was heat safe like 400 degrees, I usually don't worry too much if I'm putting 350 degree heat on it, but I'm not sure, then the heat spray is really a good option. I just want to show you too, like the side view of this is so gorgeous. Yeah. The movement is so pretty. Oh, for sure. Yeah, you can just put your fingers in here if you wanted a little bit of volume here at the top. You could sort of gruff her up for sure, just by working your fingers just into the fibers around, you know, the part and pulling it sort of back and away from the face and just, you know, piecing it out a little bit. See, so she's versatile just in, you know, you could sort of slick her down a little bit more, not slicker, but, you know, or you could make her more full and romantic. Pros and cons of this wig, because there are some pros and cons. The color is stunning. The actual construction of this wig, stunning, okay? I guess the only real con is just that you're gonna have to keep on this wig. This is one that you're gonna have to make sure that you do a lot of maintenance with. I do have a video on wig maintenance. Some wigs take more maintenance than others. The fiber quality feels amazing, but I definitely want to do a styling video with her because I feel like there's definitely some things I would like to try. But I mean, look at that coloring all throughout. Oh, I love when companies get the coloring right. I mean, it is just, hi kitten. It is just sort of night and day, and she is very light and breezy, and yeah. So that is what I have for you for this review. Thank you so much to the Beauty Nook. Please go and give them some love. All of their links will be down below. Like I said, you can use my code for 35% off. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, your doll baby, so thank you. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!